Today we're going to perform the first official telephone installation at the new house. I installed a telephone jack here in the living room, and I went and I ordered another Cortelco 2500. Yes, I could have searched around and found one in the basement, but to me, in a world of complicated junk products, it is such a delight to buy something that's simple, reliable, and just does what it's supposed to do, and it does it simply and easily. So this is what it looked like. I mean, even the box is simple. It just tells you what's in there. That's it. It's easy to open. You got the cords, handset, and the base, and the document. It's simple. Everything about this is simple. There's the telephone. Value line, and a value it is. These are not as cheap as they used to be, cost-wise. They're getting more expensive, but they're still a good value because this thing will be running in 15 years from now. All that cheap Apple phone junk and whatever, and that can be running in 15 years from now. So this is the cord it come with. It's I think it's a 10 or a 12 foot cord. I'm going to use a 50 foot cord because this is the only corded telephone I have up here. So this needs to be able to be used pretty much throughout the entire house. And I'm not sure exactly where on this table I'm going to put it. Kind of looks nice over here next to the lamp. I think for now it'll go here, but that may change. Let's plug in the cord. And then this is, of course, is much longer than we need, so we'll only untie a little bit. I'm going to figure out how this is going to fit under here. So we know that one end needs to go into this phone jack here, so let's allocate enough wire to go over there. And it's very it's got a lot of memory to it, so it's going to be kind of bent. Push this down behind the corner over here, wrap up the excess. That little fiasco with the cord. Okay, that should, you know what, I'll coil up on the other side. I like having a little bit of slack, you know. Sometimes it's nice to move the telephone closer to you when you're dialing or something. See, this is where it would be nice to have the jack to the left here, but I don't have that yet. I do think I'm going to have to put that in though, because this is going to get kind of sloppy, and I want everything around here to stay neat. So, I guess that's okay. It's not ideal, but we'll make it work. So I'll just come over here and I'll kind of tuck this wire behind that bar there. Okay. And there we go. Make sure the ringer is on. Always got to have the ringers on. Ringer on loud. I'll go ahead and call it up just to make sure everything's working. Okay, it is working. The ring on these newer ones don't sound quite the same as the old ones did, but it's still very nice.